It's a privilege to welcome all of you to Hyderabad for Wings India 2026. When people think of aviation, they usually think of speed, height, and technology. But those of us in public life know that aviation is also about something quieter and deeper. It is about trust. Every time a passenger boards an aircraft, they trust engineers. They will never meet the still regulators they do not know, technicians working through the night, and systems that must function perfectly every single day. That invisible trust is what keeps nations connected. And that is what brings all of us together today here. I know, friends, today India stands at a remarkable moment in its aviation journey. We are no longer only buyers of aircraft, we are becoming designers, manufacturers, maintainers, and innovators. We are moving from locally made to make for the world. From design to deployment, from manufacturing to maintenance, from safety to sustainability. That is not just a slogan, it is a structural shift. And Telangana is proud to be part of this transformation. India's aviation story did not begin overnight. It has been built patiently over decades. The liberalization of the 1990s opened our skies, our markets, and our imagination. It was during that period under Congress-led governments that aviation was recognized as a strategic sector for growth and global integration. In Telangana and the undivided Andhra Pradesh, a major push came between 2004 and 2014. The foundations of Hyderabad emergence as a global aviation hub were laid then. Land, logistics, power, roads, and institutional capacity were built with long-term vision. Those investments continue to serve us today. They remind us an important truth. Good infrastructure is not built for one term. It is built for generations. Our present government stands on that strong foundation. Our responsibility is to strengthen it, modernize it, and expand it. Over the last few years, we have focused on deepening the ecosystem, bringing in high-end MRO and engine facilities, supporting advanced manufacturing, promoting drones and new mobility platforms, and ensuring policy stability for long-term investors. We see ourselves not as starting from zero, but as taking forward a legacy of institution building with renewed energy and contemporary tools. Dear friends, today Hyderabad hosts world-class aero engine MRO facilities, major aircraft structures and manufacturing, advanced drone and UAV ecosystems, global innovation centers, and a dense network of MSMEs integrated into global supply chains. Many aircraft flying across continents today carry components made by young engineers sitting in Hyderabad. That is quite a revolution. One of our proudest achievements is an engine maintenance. Facilities such as the LEAP engine MRO and Rafael engine support centers represent more than industrial successes. They represent confidence in Indian skill, confidence in Indian systems, and confidence in Indian governance. Investors may come for incentives. They stay for predictive offer both. We offer fast clearances, transparent policies, and long-term partnerships. But we also offer something less visible administrative seriousness. Files move, decisions are taken, commitments are honored in capital intensive sectors like aviation that matters enormously. Let me say a word about sustainability. Aviation is growing rapidly. That is good for connectivity and economic opportunity. But it also brings responsibility. Hyderabad International Airport today operates an 100% renewable energy and follows a clear net zero roadmap. Our policies support green power, captive renewables, and assured clean energy supply. We believe the future of aviation will be green, digital, and data driven. And we intend to be ready for that future. Equally important is talent. Infrastructure can be built in few years. Institutions take decades. Through the Telangana State Aviation Academy, drone training centers and partnerships with universities and industry, we are investing in people. Because in the end, aviation is a human enterprise. Friends, we are also expanding physical connectivity. Our plans for new airports are about more than terminals and runways. They are about regional opportunity. They are about ensuring that young people in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities can access global markets, global ideas, and global careers. We are also exploring water aerodromes, heli-tourism, and air ambulance services. In a diverse country like India, aviation is not a luxury, it is essential infrastructure. Sometimes I say, often just that good roads connect villages to towns, good airports connect dreams to destinations. Innovation is another pillar of our strategy. Hyderabad today hosts AI-enabled airport operations, digital twins, startup platforms, and global research centers. Through the strong industry partnerships, we are ensure that startups are not isolated from large OEMs. Ideas must meet scale. That is how ecosystem mature. As we look ahead to 2047, our vision is clear. We want Telangana to be India's leading aero engine and MRO hub. A center for next generation aircraft and UAV manufacturing, a leader in green aviation, and a trusted global partner, not through slogans, through systems, through skills, through stability, through sustained collaboration. Wings India is not just an exhibition. It is a conversation about the future of flight, a conversation between government and industry, between engineers and policy makers, between ambition and responsibility. Telangana is committed to being a serious, reliable, and innovative partner in this journey. I invite all of you to work with us, design with us, build with us, maintain with us, innovate with us. Let us ensure that when the whole world looks at Indian aviation in the coming decades, it sees not only scale but excellence. My dear friends, on behalf of the government of Telangana, I thank the Civil Aviation Minister, Sri Ram Mohan Naidu garu, for taking all the time to come here to participate in this Wings exhibition and taking Telangana state as a serious partner in aviation activities, not only flying, even manufacturing sector also. In fact, our Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy garu is supposed to attend this program, but because of his schedule in Harvard University, that he could not make it on behalf of the Chief Minister and the state government. I am here and wholeheartedly we are extending all our support to the manufacturers and other innovative friends and startup companies also. Let us ensure that when the whole world looks at again Indian innovation in the coming days, it is not only scale but excellence. With these words, I wish Wings India 2026 every success. Thank you very much.